Right, so how to start the Forest Master wood chipper. Obviously make sure you've got fuel in it. I use high octane fuel, premium unleaded. Get the best quality fuel you can. Try and get ethanol free. Right, so you've got your fuel tap here. Turn that to on. On off switch. There. Turn that to on. This is your choke lever. So all the way to the left. This is your throttle. I'll give it normally a little bit of throttle, not full throttle, just a little bit. You should be ready to pull over. Wait a few seconds. Off choke. Yeah, warm up for a bit. 30 seconds to a minute. And then full throttle. Restart it once you've switched it off. Even when it's warm, you have to put the choke back on, which is a bit annoying.